So if somebody ever pulls out this number and asks you to calculate it, you might run into problems. Maybe you have no idea how to proceed. But don't worry, I'm here to solve this issue. In order for us to solve this, we have to start with small exponents. The equation I to the power of 1 is equal to square root of minus 1. That's really the only equation you need to remember. Using that equation, you can count I to the power of 2, 3 and 4. But you can also memorize these 4 exponents, because these are really the exponents you need in order to count any exponent. So let's begin with some examples. We got I to the power of 9, I to the power of 34 and I to the power of 43. So basically our goal is to get an equation where there are only exponents from 1 to 4, because we know what those equal to. I to the power of 9 is the same as I to the power of 8 times I to the power of 1. And now we can get the exponent 4 in there, as 4 times 2 is 8. And now you see we got I to the power of 4 and I to the power of 1 in there. And we do know the answer for these ones. I to the power of 4 is equal to 1 and I to the power of 1 is equal to square root of minus 1. So I to the power of 9 equals to the square root of minus 1. Let's do the next one now. I to the power of 34 might be a bit trickier, but our goal is the same. We have to get exponents from 1 to 4. There's actually a basic principle how you can put any exponents into a smaller exponent, which you can turn into the exponent of 4. Let me show you. So we have the exponent of 34. So what we do now is that we have to divide the exponent by 4. Then whatever answer we get, we multiply the first number and the decimal number by 4. The answer we will get are the exponents we will use on the equation. This works on any exponents. Let's do this to the I to the power of 34 also, 43 sorry. Now we can get the exponent 4 in the equation easily, and the rest is pretty simple. I to the power of 4 is 1 and I to the power of 2 is minus 1. So our answer for this is minus 1. For this one is the same, but I to the power of 3 is equal to minus I, so our answer will be minus I. And now, with all this knowledge, we can solve our original problem, which was the I to the power of 201. Our goal is to get the exponent 4 in there, so let's first use the divide by 4 rule. 201 divided by 4 is 50.25. 50 times 4 is 200, and 0.25 times 4 is 1. So 201 are the exponents we will be using. Now we see that 4 goes to 200 pretty easily, so we can get the exponent of 4 in there. And I to the power of 4 is 1, and I to the power of 1 is equal to the square root of minus 1. So our final answer will be the square root of minus 1. That's the knowledge you need to solve this issue and any other exponent of I. Put your thoughts on this in the comment section. See you in the next video.